As a student, having a foldable pencil pouch has made my life super easy, so check it out. Inside, you're even going to get different compartments in which you can put different things. I love keeping erasers or extra lead in there so I can use it whenever I need to, and it expands and collapses super easily. So you can fit so many pens in here. For example, I'm going to get a few here from my cup of pens, and I can take these anywhere with me. I am not kidding when I tell you you can fit so much in here, and the best part is that it's super easy and compactable. So for example, you have this on your book bag and it's all zipped up, and when you need a pen, you open it up and you don't have to reach in there and look. All you gotta do is pull the straps on the side and pull it down. Now you have access and a good view of all the pens you have, and you can find the exact one you are looking for. It makes it super easy, it is super sleek and compactable, and you can just throw this in your work or school bag and have all the necessary pens, pencils, and more available to you. You can check this one out on Amazon.